everyone, it's Mountain Mom. Welcome to the Mountain Mom and Tots online ski school. This course is designed to help you teach your kids to ski. The Mountain Mom and Tots online ski school. What exactly is it? This ski school is a series of exclusive posts, bite-sized videos that you could watch from the chairlift, downloadable cheat sheets that you can tuck into a pocket. It has games to help teach your child everything from the skills you need before you go skiing to how to make a wedge, how to turn, how to hockey stop, and lots of great tips and tricks from a ski mom and instructor that will help your child learn to ski. Now, a few questions that people have. First, shouldn't I just put my kids in professional lessons? That is a great solution. Absolutely. Having your child in a professional ski lesson can really help them learn how to ski. I was certified as a PSIA Level 1 children's specialist on skiing, and I can tell you they are great at every ski resort in North America. You could have a great experience with that. However, why would I spend the time making this course if I would just say put your kid in a ski lesson? Well, I believe that you as a parent will ski so much more with your child than any instructor ever could. And you as a parent might want some skills to help encourage that child's continuing skiing progression. In addition to that, professional ski lessons are very expensive, especially if you have more than one child. So these tips and tricks can help you as a parent teach your child how to ski yourself. Here's another question that people might have. Do I have to know how to ski in order to teach my child to ski? The answer is yes, at least a little bit. I am trying to help your entire family get outdoors and explore the slopes. So if you don't feel quite comfortable learning how to ski, go through these videos, find out what you can for your own benefit. But I would also encourage you as an adult to take a ski lesson and feel more comfortable on skis. Another question you might have, what about snowboarding? I'm gonna be honest, snowboarding is my first true winter love. I love it. However, my kids all started on skis instead of a snowboard. That was because young children have the muscle capacity to control skis better than they do to control a snowboard. Snowboarding has a higher learning curve than skiing for young kids, and I wanted my kids to have fun on the snow as quickly as possible. So I recommend all young children start on skis. You can always learn how to snowboard later, but especially if you are under age 8, skiing is going to be more fun quicker than learning how to snowboard. This program is designed for patrons of Mountain Mom and Tots. Patrons are those people who pay a small monthly fee to get access to exclusive content. If you go to patreon.com/mountainmomtots, you can see my Patreon page. That's where you can sign up. $20 per month patrons get access to this online ski school course for as long as you need it. Just cancel whenever you're done learning how to ski. You can join for just 1 month if you want, or you can continue throughout the ski season. There's different benefits during warm weather months as well. But we would really love you to come join online ski school and learn how to help your child learn how to ski for as little as just $20. I really hope you'll join me. You can see how to sign up right here in this video. And I'm hoping that all of this will help your family explore outdoors. See you on the slopes.